Hi there, thanks for joining me. Back in the carport again. Got another cheeky little upgrade today. Got this beautiful equipment here, the hoover and the pressure washer, but the thing that's letting it all down is my tatty old hose reel there. Not for long. We've got the Patoolio garden hose reel here. Now hopefully this looks as good as what the picture looked on the advert, because it does look a great bit of kit. Retractable hose reel. Let's swap it out. Let's get it out of the box, take that off, get it all bolted to the wall, and it should just clean this up and make it look absolutely beautiful. I've been looking at various hose reels, but this one on Amazon at the minute, I've got a discount code as well for it, 20% off. It comes in at about 90 quid. But it's got some great features. With some instructions, we get the gun, which has got a multi-adjustable nozzle on it. Okay, we've got a wall bracket with some beautiful, nice, big, beefy screws there. They look like they're 12mm. Oh, how nice does that look? And this has got 100 feet of hose on it, 30 metres. Oh, that's lovely. So we mount the bracket to the wall. That will then slip in there, and the hole will go through to hold it all in place.
Let's whip the old one off the wall. Got my little Milwaukee impact there, makes light work of these big screws.
That's better, isn't it? That looks nice and clean, ready to get the new one on. So we want this to be hanging quite high up there. Must be about 1 metre from the ground. I think if I can get it, yeah, somewhere close to that point.
I just mark this up with a pencil, make sure it's level, and the pencil goes straight through the holes.
So we've got a 12mm drill bit. That looks right.
I've got the STS drill. This is a Makita one. It's a bit old now, but it does the job, works really well. But you can get just a standard 12mm bit if you've only got a normal drill. And we'll tap those wall plugs in, and then we can line that bracket up and whiz it up with the gun again. And that's really solid.
And on the top here we've got a lovely carry handle. In case it's going to freeze or you want to take it off, you can just hook it straight off the top. We'll get that all the way through and it locks down onto it. And it's on. Get a full 90-degree, well, for me, so you get a full 180-degree swing on that. Nice quick release connectors. And if you're storing it, you can just pop that onto the back there, keep it out of the way. And it comes with the quick release connector that's the same as the hose lock connectors that we've got already on the tap. So I can just pop that straight in. Lovely. And then last but not least, we've got the connector just to pop on the end of that. On here we've got an adjustable flow rate, plus all the different settings as well for all the different sprays. Let's give it a go. So on the spray gun, like I say, we've got the trigger there. Get the air out of the system. Oh wow, look at that, beautiful. So we've got a wide spread, we've got a low spread, got doing plant pots, got a nice jet, big spray, long spray, really long spray. I mean, that's going right to the far side of the garden. Mist, wide. And how long is this hose? It's massive. Still going. It is a huge hose. Oh, there we go. We bottomed out. Yeah, look at that though. That's an impressive length, that is. If that's too powerful for the little delicate flowers, we could go for a really fine mist. I love that on-off trigger, it's lovely.
And we've got plenty of mist settings, like I say, can give the garden a good watering. And that's lovely, that function to switch it off. Do like that. All good for washing the car as well. A quick rinse down, look. Nice flow jet there. And how well does this retract? This is from full length, so it was right out as far as it would go. I give it a little tug and it's coming back. Now this has got a slow rewind facility on it, just so that it's saying it's safer, so it doesn't really spool it back really quickly and hurt somebody. And it is working, it's pulling it nice and steady. And this is literally from the bottom of the garden as well, so I'm not helping this out, it's just pulling itself all the way back in. And it's not doing it at 1,000,000 miles an hour, it's doing it at walking pace.
Oh. Perfect. Doesn't that look amazing? The hose itself is braided, it's made up of 3 different layers, so it should last, it should be really durable. We've got the nice big noggin on the end there for the retractable stop. Just looks really tidy compared to what it looked like before. So what do you reckon? Massive improvement. I've got some discount codes at 20% off. These come in at about £100, £94, less than 20%. So well worth it. Really, really nice bit of kit. It's really tidied up this area. If you've enjoyed this video, if this has helped, if you're looking for a reel for the coming spring, you know, we're going to get them plants out, the potted garden coming on. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. That's a lovely bit of kit. Like I say, links are in the description. Drop me some comments. Always lovely comments. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day.